Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to reset network settings on your iPhone. Are you having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi? Maybe your cellular data is acting up? Resetting your network settings can often be the solution. In this video, we'll go through the process step by step. It's super easy and can save you a lot of frustration. We'll cover exactly what the reset does, what you need to be aware of, and of course the reset process itself. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. We really appreciate your support. Alright, so what does resetting network settings actually do? Basically, it clears out all your saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, cellular preferences, and Bluetooth connections. It reverts everything back to the factory default network configuration. Now, here's the crucial thing to remember. This will delete your Wi-Fi passwords. So, make sure you have them written down somewhere before you proceed, especially your home Wi-Fi. You don't want to be stuck without internet. Okay, ready to get started? Here's how to reset your network settings on your iPhone. Screen shows iPhone screen recording. 1. First, open the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon, usually on your home screen. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Then scroll down again until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. 4. Now, tap on Reset. Don't worry, we're not resetting the whole phone. 5. You'll see several reset options. Choose Reset Network Settings. 6. Your iPhone will likely ask for your passcode. Enter it. 7. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Screen shows the iPhone resetting, then restarting. Your iPhone will now restart. This usually takes just a minute or two. Screen shows the iPhone back on the home screen. Once your iPhone is back on, it's reset. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks by entering your passwords again. You'll also need to repair any Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers. And that's it. You've successfully reset your network settings. Hopefully, this solved your connectivity problems. If you're still experiencing issues after resetting your network settings, it might be a good idea to contact your internet service provider or Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if this worked for you, or if you have any other iPhone questions. See you in the next video.